Hello. Thanks for watching this video. So just a quick one. The Nissan Leaf was affected by the hailstorm last weekend on the Sunday. Here's a short video clip I took, just reminding people how bad the hailstorm actually was. Now luckily the tin roof of the carport protected the Tesla completely, so the Tesla has no hail damage whatsoever. However, the Leaf did not fare so well. It was parked on the side of the street and unfortunately it got hit pretty bad. So today's the 19th of January. Just had a hailstorm. This car was parked outside on the street. Looks like it's been absolutely battered. The bonnet's all dented. Roof's all dented. Yeah, lots of pits in there. Oh man, that's not good. Not good at all. Not good at all. Oh God. How bad, I don't actually know. That's why I'm making this video. Now, the other thing was, a couple of days later, we unfortunately got this massive dust storm of topsoil from Adelaide and country Victoria. So it's coated the car in this lovely red topsoil, which should belong on farms, but unfortunately it's all over everything nowadays. So what we're going to do is going to give it a quick pressure wash off all the red dirt. And then I'm going to use a whiteboard marker or a dry erase marker and mark out all the dents that the hailstorm has made, and we're going to do a count exactly how many dents this car has suffered. And maybe if you are in the car repair industry or the dent removal industry, I'd like to have your input as to how much you think it will cost to repair all the hail damage from this car. Alright, so here's just a quick time lapse of my son and I pressure washing the Nissan Leaf of all the red dust, so then we can make a quick count of how many dents exactly are on the Leaf.
Why are you saying that to the camera?
Alright Daniel, it's time to use the pressure washer. Put your earphones on. I'll put it on for you. I'll help you.
Pressure water time. Pressure water. Yeah.
So now all of the red dust is being pressure washed off. Let's assess all the damage. Oh, by the way, this photo you're seeing right now is the one that I took straight after the hailstorm when I went to the backyard and collected some of the hail that landed in my backyard. As you can see, most of them were quite large, about the size of a golf ball. The biggest I could find was at least 4.5 centimeters, maybe 5 centimeters in diameter. So it was absolutely huge. Just imagine lots and lots of those just absolutely smashing into the Leaf, battering it. So anyway, let's see what the damage is like. with the sun setting and the light quickly fading, we decided to call it a day with the videos. So I quickly took a few photos of the result. So every green circle you see in these photos actually indicates a dent from hail. So as you can see in some of these photos, there are lots and lots of green circles. Yeah, so went inside, looked at the photos, did a count. So the total, 23 on the bonnet, 2 on the left hand side quarter panel, 1 on the right hand side quarter panel, 1 on the right hand side rear door, 6 on the rear hatch. The solar panel on the roof, on the rear spoiler, has been cracked. The center stop light has been cracked. But worst of all is actually the roof. You could see all those green circles on there. I kind of lost count. There's at least 80 dents there, probably closer to 100. So let's just say conservatively there's 80 dents on the roof. All up, there's at least 113 dents from hail. That is a lot. That's a lot more than I thought. That's a lot more than I anticipated there would be. Yeah, I'd just like to get your thoughts about if you have a bit of experience with repairing dents, repairing hail damage. What are your thoughts? Do you think this is, in the eyes of the insurance company, worth fixing? Or how much would it cost for something like this to be fixed? I have no idea. I've never gone through this before, never had hail damage to one of my cars before. So this is all new to me. So please, if you have any input, let me know in the comments section below. And this is the first part of who knows how many parts about just documenting the story about this little Leaf. I hope it does get fixed. I hope the insurance company will come back and say, yep, sure, we'll put the dents out, rather than the alternative, which is to write off the car or to total the car, which will be a real shame because the car drives just fine. Cosmetically, as you can see, there's all these dents and damage from the hail, but I just hope that it gets rectified. Anyone for a round of golf? Just imagine hundreds of these coming down, smashing houses, smashing cars, and not a pretty sight. It's not going to be very good for the insurance company come tomorrow.